In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Western Union to GCash. So what we want to do is just first log into the Western Union app. This is going to be for the sender of the money. So if you want, you can send this video to them. So what they have to do is click on menu here and then select track transfer. So here, if they are the sender, like I said, they should be able to see the MTCN, which is basically a code, 10-digit code for the transaction itself. You can click on where can I find the MTCN, and it's going to show us that if you send money at a Western Union location, you can find your MTCN on the printed receipt of the transfer. So once you have this code, you want to give it to the receiver. So once you have given it to the receiver, I will just refer us to this article here. So how can we see or transfer money to GCash? We want to open up the GCash app with a fully registered profile and go to Cash In. After we have selected Cash In, we will choose Western Union. Then we will enter the MTCN, which I just showed you how we can find, shared by the sender, and the estimated amount sent to you. So if you're receiving $10 or 10,000 Filipino pesos, you can input that amount. Then we will need to check and verify the details that we have provided, see if they are correct, and we will receive a message on the app followed by a text notification confirming that the money transfer is completed. And here it shows you how much you can receive per transaction, subject to wallet aggregate monthly limit of Filipino pesos of 100,000. And that's basically how you do it. So you need to enter the code, and you should receive your info and funds into GCash from Western Union. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.